All right, it is still that time. Y'all still see me wearing the same shirt. That means I did all these videos in the same day. Ooh, doggy, I tell you what, I am tired. But for my YouTube folks, I got one more video lined up for y'all, and you can see it right here. This is a small box, really small box. What could be in it, you say? Well, why don't we find out together? Okay, you already know this time of year, Apple event, Apple time. So without further ado, let's pull this tab. Let's see what we got here. Look at that. So popular, getting all these texts, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up, see what we got. 3, 2, 1, bam. 3, 2, 1, bam. That's right. You already see it right here, folks. It is going to be the newest, the latest, the greatest AirPods Pro 3. Ooh, looks good, smells good. Don't taste it, though. Looks good, smells good. Let's go ahead and see what we got right here. We got the Apple logo on the side like normal right there, looking so fresh and clean. Front of the box right there. Front of the box right there. Then on the box, just to show you guys, I ain't playing around, they got AirPods Pro 3. Okay, we are valid AirPods Pro 3. You know what we're gonna do? Pull tab. Bring it in nice and close for you guys. Get your little ASMR action. Oh, it's so nice. Let's see what we got for the AirPods Pro 3 unboxing and first thoughts. Okay, so in the box, elegance, luxury. That means peasants not allowed. What do you got right here inside the box? Of course, you got the normal usual stuff, AirPods Pro paperwork, how to set it up, talking about the different tips. This year they have 5 different sizes for the ear tips. The ear tips are improved because they have kind of like foam along with the silicone to get a better fit. Also this year with the AirPods Pro 3, they are supposed to help with heart rate tracking. So really what I'm interested in is getting these Mama Jammas paired and seeing how nice the active noise canceling is in these new AirPods Pro. So that's the paperwork. Nothing crazy special going on there. Let's go ahead and put this back in our little holder here and just take a look at the headphones, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually go get the last gen AirPods. Actually, I think I have AirPods Pro 2s. I'm not really sure, but I'll bring those in for comparison after we get these out and see what these are looking like. So,
hey guys, what's up, Al? It's Bobby over here, and another audio is going to be a little bit different because I'm not using the mic, but I did want to just let y'all know something. I'm over here right now working on this video, editing it down for y'all, and I just saw some crazy stats on YouTube. 90% of y'all are watching this without subscribing. What's up with that? It doesn't cost you a single dime to hit subscribe, to like, and comment on this video, but it helps me out a ton. I'm at 300 subscribers right now. I want to hit 500 and 1,000. I can't do it without you. Let's do it, y'all. Hit that comment, hit that subscribe, hit that like button. Okay, enough now. Back to the video.
inside of the box, what do you get? Bobby, give it to us straight. Well, alrighty then, I'll give it to you straight. You're gonna have the usual nice razzle-madazzle of opening this up. Okay, once you open up that bottom one, I'm guessing they're wanting us just to push down on this and push our nice headphones out. Kind of like we're laying an egg, I guess. I don't know. And then there you have it in all of their glory. Show you guys over here to the side. Aww. And then over here. So the crazy thing about the new generations is they're going to have a new shape for the ears as well. I'll comparison with the old ones in a second. But on this here as well, we do not have a pairing button on the back. It is going to be I don't know what the word is, haptic, but it's going to be a button without a button, basically. Okay. On the bottom, you're going to have those nice speakers. So in case you lose your AirPods Pro 3. Okay, so there they go. Let's bring in our little area to keep things nice and clean around here. So we got the AirPods Pro 3 right? Am I saying that right? AirPods Pro 3, yes. What else do you get in the case for $250? Well, you get the case, you get the AirPods, and you get the 5 separate tips. So this is guaranteed to fit the teeny tiniest of ears all the way up to the largest elephant of ears. So just take a second once you get your AirPods out of the box and make sure that they fit right. If memory serves me correctly, it actually goes through a little step-by-step to help you get a nice fit for your ears. Let me go get the other old AirPods and then we'll do a comparison side by side. So I went ahead and got these AirPods. I think these are the AirPod Pros too, to be honest, just because the bottom does have those speakers to be able to find it. So this is going to be a case by Kadabe for your headphones. Wink, wink. So go ahead and get yourself a Kadabe case for your new AirPod Pros 3. They are legit. Look at that. It's really nice. It's very stylish. It's very protective. And you got a nice little lanyard you can carry along with it. Okay, so check them out. But I digress. Let's look at the difference between the two and see what we're working with. Okay, and I'm going to pull these out. I'm not going to take off the top portion just because it's got 3M tape or something like that on there. I'm just going to pull this out. Okay, that didn't work out as well as I thought. Well, still, I'm just going to bring this up. Okay, so I just want to compare, show you guys the bottom. Again, AirPods Pro 3, AirPods Pro 2. So on the bottom, the case looks pretty much the same. Front looks a little bit different. So on the front, the AirPods Pro 3, that indicator light is kind of like hidden, right? It disappears on the AirPods Pro 2. That little, you can see that little dot right there, it stays. Again, on the AirPods Pro 2, you have that pairing button. You actually have that real pairing button right there. On this one, it's going to be a haptic or button where there is no button, okay? So again, show you side-by-side comparison. Bottom, side, okay? Now let's pull out one of these earbuds and take a look at the design. Okay, so let's pull out the left earbud on that one and the left earbud on this one. Okay, so let's take a look at the difference between the two of these. Okay, so you can see on the design, the way that it goes into your ear right off the jump is different. So it's more of a sharp, like if you guys can see right here on camera, it's more of a sharp turn into your ears. It's supposed to be a better fit. On the top, the air vent is larger, so then that's supposed to allow for more bass or better bass response. So you'll thumping be thumping, you'll bass be bassing. And so far, these are supposed to be the best, according to Apple, best active noise canceling on the market. So you guys can see the difference in the curvature or of how that fits in your ear canal right there with these AirPods Pros 3. So again, just show you guys, let me see, on this side camera, it's a little bit more difficult, but you can see that top vent is a lot wider on the AirPods Pro 3 right here versus the AirPods Pros 2. So all in all, that's going to be some of the look differences between the AirPods Pro 3 and then the Gen 2 right here. Another huge upgrade for me personally is thank you to the sky above, because I am slowly but surely moving away from lightning connectors to all USB-C. So with the Gen 3, I finally have a USB-C AirPods Pro, so I'm really excited, really happy for that. So that's the comparison, guys. That's the difference between the two physical looks. I gave you guys a little bit about what they said that they improved this year, so hopefully that's useful to you. I'll get these paired, I'll get these set up, and then I'm gonna do like a kind of like a campfire video after I get maybe like a day's use out of the watch, out of the phone, out of the AirPods Pros, and then kind of give you guys a little bit of my ideas about all these different new Apple products that just launched, okay? So stay tuned for that video. It's a separate one. I got so many freaking videos I got to work on, y'all. I am tired. Would you believe I'm doing this all for free? Yeah. Well, guess what? I'm not doing it for free. I'm doing it for you guys, okay? So it's your boy, Bobby G, thanking you for tuning in today. I really appreciate everybody's attention to detail, your thoughts. If you want to pick up these headphones, just do me a huge favor. Use the link in the comment section. Use the link in the comment section. Remember, Nothing extra to you, but it helps me out just a smidge. It's your boy Bobby G, bringing you guys nothing but greatness, okay? Thank you so much for being here with me through this amazing Apple event, Apple time of the year. I really appreciate you guys. I'm out. Peace.